Hagibis!
Thank you
Hagibis!
po.
Wow, taas ng energy.
Thank
Maraming
you.
salamat.
Dito ako, para mataas.
Kuya RJ, thank you.
Salamat din. You know, just a bit of a history.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know that Sonny Parsons was a member, no?
Yes, sir. Siya po ang leader mismo.
Siya talaga mismo. Okay.
Exactly.
Sonny Parsons, before he passed away, came here to Bravo and nag-guest siya dito.
Yes.
Okay, so I think that's about 2 months or 3 months before he died.
Before that.
And he was helping the Taal volcano victims, I think delivering in his motorcycle yung mga tubig kung ano-ano. Na-stroke siya in the heat. Na-heat stroke siya.
From Quezon pa yun.
Oh,
Biyahe siya.
really a nice guy. Sino mga original members ng Hagibis?
Sonny Parsons, Bernie Pinesa, Mike Respal. Nalimutan ko yung iba.
Oh, but anyway. So,
Ayun, yun. Georgie Garcia. Yeah.
Okay.
And Bernie.
now,
Yeah.
what was the biggest hit?
Katawan, sir.
Katawan. Tapos may hot legs ba, di ba?
May legs lang.
Legs.
Yes.
Alam mo, bagay kayo sa... I will recommend to Bravo. Kunin kayo.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you po.
It's an honor, siyempre.
I will recommend, ha?
Thank you, sir.
Anyway, I want to introduce you. You are Rod Navarro Jr., right? Oh, Rod Navarro Jr.
Yeah.
Okay, and I know your dad.
Thank you po.
Okay, famous si Rod Navarro. Senior.
Majong.
Okay, can you...
Paano yun?
Baka gusto mong tabunan kita ng salapi.
So, can you introduce them? Sige. Introduce them all.
All right, my name is Eugene Baidal, the leader of Hagibis, new version for this generation po. And kasama ko si Erich Matpaat, ayan, and si Rod Navarro Jr. At ang nasa likod na tumutugtog sa amin, walang iba kundi ang his band. Umpisa natin, ang bassist, walang iba, Mark Nava. Ayan, isa rin yan chess master, Sir Kuya RJ.
Galing.
Meron din tayong keyboardist, ayan, walang iba kundi si Sir J1.
Alright.
At ang guitarist natin, eto, Meng Castillo.
Okay.
Francis Magalona ng his band. And yun lang po, Kuya RJ, okay na po yun. Teka,
Ayaw mo yan,
ipapakilala ko pa ba yung drummer?
Huwag na.
Ah.
Mukhang hindi bata eh.
Oo, sige. Oo. Ladies and gentlemen, ang aming drummer, walang iba, kundi Michael Hermones.
Amazing.
Buti na awa sa'yo, ha?
Oo.
You know, this is a very good band. I know, I should know.
Wow, thank
Galing,
you.
Tight na tight. Okay.
Salamat
So, wala na. That's it? That's
Yes,
it for you?
yun na lang po
Okay,
muna
kasi-
sa ngayon. And hopefully,
You come
next-
back, ha? Come
Yes,
back.
sir.
Do you want them back? You want them back?
Yes, sir.
Hagibis Jr. Sige, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Okay.
Ay,
Thank
Kuya RJ, pwede bang i-promote na rin po namin para ma-follow po ninyo ang aming Facebook?
Please.
Hagibis Live. I-type nyo lang po yan, Hagibis Live and Eugene Baidal Official. Yan dalawang page na yan. Diyan nyo po kami makokontakt kung meron po kayo mga upcoming events at gusto nyo dalhin natin ang mga awit ng Hagibis sa inyong mga events. Available po kami dyan.
Okay, can you spell that again?
Hagibis Live.
Okay, Eugene.
Eugene is Y-U-J-I-N. Eugene Baidal Official.
B-A.
B-A-Y-D-A-L. Tagalog.
Okay. Sige, i-hire na nyo para tuloy-tuloy ang ligaya.
Maraming salamat, of course, Kuya RJ.
Salamat din, salamat.
And thank you sa ate. Ay, nga pala, Kuya RJ. I-acknowledge ko rin si Sir Ricky Jacinto, ang
Yeah.
new road manager ng Hagibis.
Ikaw ba?
In-announce ko na, Kuya Ricky.
Ano bang road? Ibig sabihin ng road.
Siya maghanap.
Driver ba? Driver nyo?
Road Navarro.
Tonight po, Tito, gusto ko po sana ang batiin ng happy birthday po
Uy!
ang aking mom-in-law si...
Sige.
Mami-in-law, hello.
Birthday niyo po.
Oh, mother-in-law, naglalangis ka, ha?
Ay! Ay, baka bumasa. At sa lahat na nagsa-celebrate ng birthday ngayon, dito po sa RJ Executive Lounge, happy birthday. Thank you.
Big hand up for them again. Okay, we turn you over to our San Francisco studios.
Hi there, Joseph here.